Dateline
on NBC Nebraska News 2.
And welcome back. So we did have partly to mostly cloudy skies made our way through the day today, but with that southeasterly wind, temperatures still stayed mild even under the clouds, and even some rain showers across portions of our region. Here's a look at the tower cam time lapses. We saw just a few peaks of sunshine in the morning before the clouds made their way through. We did stay mainly dry for most of the day right now. Here's a look at the high temperatures. Made it up to 76 at North Platte and Ogallala. Also at Thetford, we were at 76, mid-70s at Imperial, upper 70s at Lexington and Broken Bow. And the warm spot was Valentine at 84 degrees for a high temperature. Current temperatures look like this: 70 at North Platte, near that level out towards, say, the Ogallala, Broken Bow, Valentine area, but a 72 at Lexington. And Imperial is once again the cool spot at 64. There's your wind, still mainly from a southeasterly direction. Wind speeds 10 to 15 miles per hour, and maybe a few higher gusts, but nothing really that bad across the region today. We have one shower that's about to enter the Curtis area, one shower from Ogallala and points off to the north, but most everybody else right now has partly to even mostly cloudy skies. Most of the moisture staying across northeastern Colorado, the panhandle of Nebraska, along with southeastern Wyoming. That seems to be where the frontal boundary once again has set up today. So with the daytime heating, we did have some showers and thunderstorms across the panhandle, northeastern Colorado, but not really getting into our viewing area. This low pressure system is exiting, and it is kind of spread out across the Rockies. That's why the further west you go, the higher in elevation you go, the better chance you do have of some showers and thunderstorms, especially yesterday and today. Now, to round out the work week, we're going to keep the chance of some showers and thunderstorms. They will increase here in central Nebraska as we finish out the work week. Also across the Rockies, more storms along the Gulf Coast, the northern part of Florida, leaving the Midwest and Northeast dry, with the northern plains and across the border into southern Canada the warmest, with cooler than average air into the desert Southwest. So here's a look at the skycast as we make our way through the rest of the evening. Any of the showers and storms dissipating, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures starting off near 60, and then for the day tomorrow, partly cloudy to even mostly sunny at times as we go through the morning. Showers and thunderstorms developing by later on in the afternoon. We think the best chances into our western counties, but most everybody has a chance of some storms later on into the day. We start off Saturday near 60 degrees, more of the same. Storms actually could begin a little sooner on Saturday, maybe into the late morning, lasting through the afternoon. Some heavy rain possible, but because they start so soon, it's going to be a little cooler on Saturday with highs in the lower 70s. So one system is exiting off to the south. High pressure is just very briefly in charge. In fact, it kind of does miss us. So no real drying out over the next few days. One low pressure system is another one was going to make its way in and give us more chances for some showers and storms Sunday and into the day on Monday before more high pressure works its way in. So here's what to expect as we go through the weekend. That moisture flow from the Gulf, that jet stream basically right over us, is going to give us more chances for some possible heavy rain with some thunderstorms. They dry out and warm up off to our east and still stay cool off to our south and to our west, but because of the storm chances, could have a marginal risk of severe weather, flood risk, and maybe even more drought relief. So here's a look at the forecast. We'll keep the chances of moisture 50% tomorrow, 80 on Saturday, 60 on Sunday. Otherwise, partly to mostly cloudy, falling back into the lower 70s to start the weekend, back up to near 80 on Monday, only a 20% chance. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we'll just say partly cloudy skies, hopefully drying out, warming up too, with highs in the lower 80s by this time next week. Kent?
Certainly keeping our eye on all that precipitation that we're hoping comes our way, and like you said, could be flooding in some areas.
Yeah, some flooding, but it has really helped out with the drought.
All right. Thanks so much, Justin. And air events will be returning to central Nebraska for the first time in over